small sample test. Mainly, t-test can be used as a small sample test. In the case of t-test, whenever the sample size is less than 30, in those situations, or for the sample which is less than 30 samples are there, where we can apply t-test. T-test is also called student's t-distribution. And t-test can be used in the case of single mean as well as two mean. First of all, we can consider the case of test of significance of single mean. In the case of test of significance of single mean, where t is equal to x bar minus mu the whole divided by standard error of x bar. Here the x bar which indicate sample mean, mu that indicate population mean. Then standard error of x bar is equal to s divided by root n minus 1 with the n minus 1 degree of freedom. In the case of t-test, where we have to use the concept of degree of freedom. Degree of freedom, that means the total sample, that is total sample minus 1. That is a criteria has to be taken in the case of finding the degree of freedom for t-test of single mean. And small s that indicate the standard deviation of the sample. Then after that, we have to take the case of test of significance of two mean. In the case of two mean, where we can set up the hypothesis h0 as mu1 equal to mu2, and alternative hypothesis can be set up as mu1 not equal to mu2. Then t is equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar the whole divided by standard error of x1 bar minus x2 bar. x1 bar that indicate the sample size of, that is sample mean of sample 1. x2 bar that indicate the sample mean of sample 2. n1 that indicate the sample size of sample 1. n2 that indicate the sample size of sample 2. Standard error of x1 bar minus x2 bar is equal to s into root of 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2, where s is equal to root of n1 s1 square plus n2 s2 square the whole divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. The degree of freedom in the case of test of significance of two mean is n1 plus n2 minus 2.